career.
Do you regret not having had the opportunity to play professional rugby?
I think all of us. I think all of us. I think if you see the crazy money that the guys are getting and the crazy opportunities the guys are getting, I always say, Peter, and it's very simple. The team of 1992, if you go through that team, the starting 15 against France, for instance, or the one when we started against the All Blacks and the Wallabies in 1992, I think that I know Donnie Gerber, and I said it with the greater respect, was the only guy who didn't have a degree. All of us were qualified, or you have a national diploma in teaching, or you have a degree, and all of us, I mean, we have doctors, we have actuaries, we have MBA, we had tandartsen, what do you call it,
A dentist,
dentist
yeah.
in the team. So you had all the spectrum, all of them had degrees.